cap that came in. A cap wherein capital investment subsidy was reduced to 5 crores maximum. Then sir, there were also caps in terms of the interest subvention and other sectors and the sector and the food and processing industry. Also, before we start, sir, I just want to give a small brief, sir. Here, right hand side, so how this industrial policy has worked within the state and what we would be expecting if the industrial scheme that has been in the market. So when I was speaking, sir, here, just for this permission, sir, I was the director industrial and commerce. Feedback that we have taken from the industries and what would work best in Northeast. Before that, sir, there have been a lot of changes that were made. Sir, we would be talking about the achievements that we have done, sir, NEITP. It was also groups like TS Group, some of our major industrial estate called Kuchuk got developed. We have close to 534 acres of our land. It's also bringing an employment of around 2,697 people. This is around 300 crores, 200 crores and so on and so forth. Today, sir, it is generating close to...
Our effort is to create an atmosphere which industries can grow. For that purpose, in consultation with the state, we do every step. And as I have told you, industrial policy is for that purpose only, that the industry should grow. People should get attracted to set up industries here.
Sir, how is the acceptance of the industry here?
It's good. It's good. I have discussed with the tea growers, I have with the rubber industry, I have discussed with other industrialists also. It's good. So with the new industrial policy, it will further improve.
Thank you. Thank you.
Why?
They feel.
Let the new industrial policy come. Let the new industry policy come, that it will be most attractive for them. I hope they will be attracted by that and it will be beneficial for everybody. The purpose of the meeting is that Prime Minister of India, Shri Modi ji, is emphasis that every minister should visit Northeast and resolve the problems of here only. For that purpose I came, I discussed with the industrialists of the area, what are their problems, how they can be resolved. A new industrial policy we are also bringing for the benefits of industrialists. I had a meeting with tea growers also. So it's a wonderful meeting I had with all the stakeholders, and whatever the government of India want, they expect us to do, we will do for them. Industry policy will come, that we will be in a position to tell. We are working for that, and which will be most beneficial for this area.
Sir, what's about the industry?
I have told you that we are working on a new industrial policy.
Okay.
The earlier industrial policy has expired on 31st of 22. So now we are working for the new industrial policy in consultation with all the stakeholders and state governments. We are working that industry should grow here in this area.
Before we start, sir, I just want to give a small brief, sir. Here, right hand side,
DPRT